Hey, this is Byron from Campovans, and we are going to show you a build from start to finish. So welcome to our shop. Okay. Hey! Rigs!
So many rigs!
New rigs, old rigs.
Let's try it, dude. All right.
I just call it that.
What's up?
Hey, good morning.
You guys, what's happening this week? Collectively, what are we doing?
Isaiah's gonna put in the front vinyl plank floor. And then I'm putting in the bed cabinets so that you, Sid, can keep working on the systems that go inside the bed cabinet. And then once the bed cabinets are in, then our kitchenette on this side and our kind of toilet cabinet, we're calling it, on that side, basically just get attached to the bed cabinet. So we're kind of like moving this way with everything while we're waiting for the flares to get get upholstered.
What am I doing? I am dialing in some countertops right now for, this one's for the galley cab. We do 2 counters usually. Galley cab and then the fridge cab. I'm doing a nice little 1/2-inch backsplash on there, so this comes to the height of the bed. Got a little bit of cleanup work to do, a couple of saw blade burns that we're gonna take care of. Get it dialed. This is the fun part.
All the fuses for the solar charge controller for all the 12-volt appliances are done. This is just Rixson hot water system and hot air system stuff that we have left to plug in. But all this is totally done and it's working. How cool is that? Super rad. So anyway, that's great. All we have to do is put the overhead cabinet, cover all this, and that's squared away. Riley, what's the Monday haps?
Overhead shelf and map lights. So when you're sitting here, you can have some storage and some nice lighting.
What's going down, Mike?
I'm upholstering the flares now. So we have an upholsterer kind of sew this turtleneck style piece out of fabric, and it basically covers this whole thing and then wraps down into here. And then there's a back piece that gets upholstered, and then that back piece gets screwed, and then the whole thing goes in. So this is this has to happen before the bed cabinets go in. So this is kind of a big item to tick off the list.
Riley, it's Monday. What's going down?
Doing our rack up in the ladder.
Yeah.
Big moves.
Yeah, keep coming back. Oh, it's gonna be a tight one. It's looking good in there. We put in a ton of cabinets. By a ton, I mean 4, because that's all there is. We put in 4 cabinets and got some countertops on them, got things mounted to the walls. Everything went in really well. We've started doing stuff more and more on the computer, so CNC with there's always a little bit of handwork done, scribing to the walls and stuff, but because we've been doing it more CNC, everything fits together a little more. If you've worked in these vans, you know that the whole van's kind of doing a little bit of this. It kind of has a curve to the inside, so it's kind of a dance, making things square. What do you choose? But we're getting, every van we get a little better, everything goes faster. So as you see, we got the 3/4 inch countertops on there with a little backsplash. It's kind of the signature that we've stuck with. Really liking it. We're gonna have to get some finish on those in the next week or so. Gonna work on that upper cabinet to cover up that electrical and get a microwave in there probably next week. Guess we're getting mostly to the trim stage. A little bit of systems left. We got the water system, the sink. The drain hasn't been cut yet, anything of that. But the floor is dialed this week, which really finishes off the build. It's looking good.
Another huge step that we were able to finish this week was getting the whole rack dialed. So we've got the solar mounted, we've got the Fiamma on, that was just finished today. We've got the side ladder on, and yeah, Luminous was really great about getting us this rack fast, and we needed it quick, so it's dialed. We're ready to kick it. next week.